open fire on the enemy. Fire on command. Main rocket console standing by. We're under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Captain, the target has been captured. Torpedo fired. Fire on command. Target hit. All crew, immediately abandon ship. Both engines, half speed ahead. Captain, the target has been captured. Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target. Forward integrity broken. Establishing visual contact. The target is within range. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Helm aport. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Target hit. We are under attack. Damage reported. We've been discovered. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule. Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at the enemy. That's a hit. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Hit confirmed. Torpedo fired. Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact. All captain! Enemy attack on our base! We are discovered. Full combat alert. Port the helm. The target is within range. Fire at the enemy. Establish visual contact. Our ship is under enemy attack. Take your positions. This is not a drill. Establishing visual contact. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Our team has occupied the enemy base. Target hit. Establish visual contact. Fire on command. We are under attack. Damage reported. Establishing visual contact.